Here is our very pretty sunny Bank B&B. Brendan is the owner, and we're going to go in and meet him. Brendan doesn't want to be photographed because he's not dressed for the occasion, but I'm photographing him anyhow. The guest lounge for tea and coffee, very pretty.
I should pull the blind off, yeah. It's a nice view over into the mountains.
We have a choice of 2 rooms. This is very lovely. Or one upstairs.
Who walks around the house with this from Chicago?
Very pretty. It's very pretty. Everything is beautiful.
I think it's nicer during the daytime there. With that morning, that other room then has them.
We took this room only because then we don't have to drag the bags up the stairs, and we're going to be walking tomorrow anyhow. Hi. And here's the shower. First time. Yummy, yummy, yummy.